Magandang umaga po. Good morning, everybody. And welcome to my little channel. Oh, the neighbors maybe it's not awake yet, but I'm here and starting my another creations Christmas decoration. Uy, oh, what happened? This one is not vibing. Makati. Para siyang ano eh, matakot yan. So here we are again. I'm going no, it's not today. Today I will tell you what I'm going to do. But first of all, how are you guys? I hope you have a good day and feeling fine and away from everything bad happen. And yun, I wish you all the best and you are smiling and happy and yeah, you know what I mean. So me, I'm doing fine. Just dito lang po sa labas. Outside is my vibes. So if I can be here forever or every year, I am the happiest person in the world. But I can't because the winter is coming soon. I can just walking. So anyway, so I will start now, and I have, as usual, my bamboo from the other way, and I'm going to make some stars. We will see. This is my first time to make stars, but follow me, and you will see what the result is. Ayan, alam niyo naman, here is cold, not so cold, about what you call 5 degrees. It's okay, and the sun is shining. Sun is shining, shining. Da 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 da. So, alam niyo no, ako po ay nakakain na ng umagahan. What can I say? I have to make straight as possible. May straight tayo dyan. Ayun, straight yata ito. What do you think? So, I will make maybe again. Where is my scissor? It's in the other side. Just a moment, please. Moment. Yes, you can see. Sorry, my shoes is too big because this shoes belongs to my husband. And I have my shoes, but this one is madali po yung easy to wear. Susulbot lang yung paa mo di tapos. Chichi-burichi pa. Kaya you can see. I think it's funny. What do you think? My husband said, "Oh, do you have your own shoes? Why you are always taking my shoes?" Ay, laman yung maskador eh. Sabi ko, maaluang isuot yun. Salpak lang ng salpak. Shalpak ng shalpak. Ano kayo? Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng puto. Kasi kayo ay walang pangkayod na niyog. Ayan. So, here we go. Ang kailangan po natin ay 5, 2, 3, Six, six like this. So, six like this. Ito po, sa atin ito, gagutungin na. Igagatong na ito. Gagawin, bakit? Pero naman yun, pareho ang haba. Anong pinutol ko magkabila. Naman, naduling na. Yesterday, nagpunta ako sa doon sa bilihan ng mga decoration. Hindi naman ako bumili naman ako ng konti, pero hindi naman. Lang, pinagsama ko lang kayo na makita niyo ang mga kung anong vibes. So, if you hindi pa napapanood yung mga videos ko, kindly please, if you want. If you don't, I see ya. Wala tayong puto. Bungbong. Ay, nako. So, tingnan natin kung tayo pwede. Kung marunong tayo, kung tayo ating magagawa. So, all I need is the thing that hold the star. Alisin natin ito, nakakatinik. So, mga tainga-tainga dyan. Sorry. Itong nasa likod ko po, ito yung bamboo grass din, but it's the different kind of this one. This one is grass. This one is, they said also, bamboo, Chinese bamboo. Japanese bamboo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Google. Hindi naman Google. So, buka ka tayo dito. Para tayong nasa, bukid. Ay, hindi pwedeng bumuka ka dahil maigsi ang paan ni Kadura. Yan. Dito naman pala, para paharap tayo dyan kay Mr. Camera. Ganyan. Lagyan natin dito. Madaming banmo sa paligid, habing-gabing walang tubig. Kakantahan mo muna kayo. Hindi ko nagagamit itong si limang kamay. Dahil malamig na, pero pag mayroon dyan, pag gamit ko yan, I will not be able to. Para itong yung, alam niyo yung yung luksuhan. Woo! Good luck! Chuk, chuk! Kaya naman si Kaduray. So, make sure that it's ay hindi, nakalug si Kuan, si pare. Yun. Yan. Ganyan. Yan, tapos na po. Nandito na po tayo sa ating magandang hindi. Wala pa ho. Lalagay pa natin itong si Kuan, si pare. Yung kasama niya. Yan. Tingnan natin kung anong resulta. December na ay magbigayan tayo. Maglabing-labing dahil magki-Christmas na. Kahit hindi labing, ay lumabing na rin nang huwag maduling. Yan. Kasi meron na. My husband is inside and he's laughing. Nani bro, yodo. Yeah. Sabi ko maganda yan. And then, one more. Like this one more. And then we will put in the other side. Yeah, that's the star. Nako. Ay siya, lumaban na tayo. Dapat pareho daw yun. Dahil po yung asawa ko ay magaling magawa ng isa, sabi ko ako yung magtatry. Dahil gusto kong mag-try. Naman yun naman. Hindi magkaintindihan ang feeling. Ay, ayan, nako. Sorry. Katal ang baba ni Kadura. Tingnan natin doon. Ayan. Nako. Nagkakanon na. Ayun. Tapos, galing-galing. Magtawakha pala tayo. So, alisin natin itong sa ating Yarina. Maalawa naman. Kaya nga lang po, pag first time, syempre, kadaming turiri-turira, ay, nakakaduling. Pati tayo nga ay napaling. Sus, Mariusip. Chuy. Kausan! What's up? Ay, nako. First time ko po ito. Promise. Yan, ang star nito. Malaki pa sa akin. Pero it's nice. Tapos, ating dalawang yan. Ating ikakapit. Hindi kakapit. Siyempre, itong dalawang mag-asawa, husband and wife. Mali naman pa. Yan, ganito. Salamat sa'yo. That's it. What do you think, guys? It looks, stars. Awan ko kung ano stars nga ito, pero sa akin ay parang stars dito. For me, it's enough. It looks like the stars from the Mars. So, sabi na tayo sa bra. Picture! So, that's it. Baka lagyan ko dito sa round ng wreath. Wreath. Tawag doon nga, yung bilog. Pero, yeah. That's it. We will see. I can maybe put something in it. Just green. And I will go in the other side and gathered something. Just a moment. So, guys, I'm back. Kinuha ko lang ito sa kabilang bahay. Gathered this from, behind my house. This. And this, I think I will hang this in the middle sa star from the Mars. Nag-measure by my eyes. That's why it's cranky. Alam yung cranky. So, lagay natin kunwari, sabit natin dito. Sabit natin na para siyang may parol. Sabit yan. What do you think? Sabit, may parol. Tapos may ito? May mangga kang nakasabit. May parol. Tapos, may ilaw. Yun. Ilaw pala naman ang sabihin. So, gawa tayo ng rat iyan. Uli. Urat. Chut. Turut. So, let's do some wreath. Christmas wreath. Buy this. This one is really good making wreath. Yung words na yan talaga naman hindi na pumasok sa ulo. Makikita yung rat. Yan, naging rat na. The smart thing to do round, if you have something like this. I saw one. Maybe this one. I found something. Sorry to my wait a minute. My beautiful shoes. My husband's shoes. This is easy to put in. Look. Chuk. in my sa sapatos ko, magtuturiri pa. Dami pang mahirap. So, the easy way to do this perfectly is put it in here. Just, ano, so because para kayong may ano, just put it in here. So you have the foam, everything. Put it everything. Nakalagay na, look. And then put you can band it with this one, or the one I have, that one. But this is soft, so I can make this. I can use this one. La 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 la. So, yeah. Look. So, inyo na lang itali-tali pag may time. Tali-tali yung mga tainga-tainga para huwag naman lugain. Sorry. Luga po more. See? Look. Alan. Oh, one more thing. One more. In the middle. Oy, palagat. So, here we go. That's enough. What do you think naman? This is my wreath na walang ring. Yung the other one I made is with ring. Oh, what do you think, guys? Baba pa o taas pa? Nasa middle. Dapat nasa middle yun. Anyway, this is my stars from the Mars with the ice, with my ice measurement. And that's why this is duling. That's it. It's finished. This is my finished product. The stars made from Mars. Sorry, joking. Charot. This is it. What do you think? Is it good? Is it nice? Yeah, anyway. So, ito po ang akin. By me, nabulol na. The stars made by me, measuring with my eyes, that doesn't go straight. So that's why it's little bit, maybe it's not perfect, but this is me. I don't have to be perfect. So this is my product. And as usual, thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bula! Ayan. Nako. Konti nang nahulog. So, thank you.